Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung 256GB DDR4 ECC LRDIMM, specifically the M386ABG 40M51 CAE model. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's a powerhouse designed for servers demanding peak performance and rock-solid stability. This stick boasts a massive 256GB capacity, operating at a speedy 3,200 MHz with a PC4-25600 rating. It's built with ECC load-reduced LRDIMM technology, crucial for error correction in critical server environments. The 8RX4 3DS2S4RX4 octal RAM configuration ensures efficient data handling. It's important to note that this memory is strictly for select servers. Do not attempt to use it in a desktop, laptop, or standard PC. The ECC load-reduced nature of this RAM means it cannot be mixed with other ECC types like registered, unbuffered, or non-ECC unbuffered memory. Compatibility is key, so always double-check your server specifications and memory channel guidelines to ensure optimal performance. The primary benefit of this RAM is its ability to significantly expand your server's memory resources. This translates to improved performance, reduced bottlenecks, and an increased capacity to handle demanding workloads. Imagine running more virtual machines, processing larger datasets, or handling more concurrent users without a hiccup. The Samsung module adheres to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a low 1.2 V, which helps to keep power consumption in check. Samsung is a trusted brand in memory, known for quality and reliability. Upgrading to this 256GB module can be a game-changer for your server infrastructure, but only if it's compatible. Always verify compatibility before purchasing. If your server can handle it, this RAM promises to unlock new levels of performance and stability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.